Deep under the facade of your favorite YouTube trading gurus, news networks, and other stock market influencers, there lies a deep dark secret of which has likely never been revealed in a YouTube video before. For the highly observant of you who have been in this game for a long time, you may have noticed something seems off, however have never likely been able to pinpoint exactly what it is. The dark reality of the stock market, of which I will reveal in this video as a millionaire algorithmic investor, is something that you have likely never heard or seen before, and for a good reason. Consider yourself lucky to be able to watch this video right now, because at some point in the future, this video may or may not be shadow banned or taken down along with my channel for an unsaid reason. Perhaps you would want to see my videos when they come out. In that case, consider subscribing so you don't miss any uploads. Additionally, because my channel is so small, and also because of the nature of my content, it's possible that my videos may not be shown to you even if you are subscribed. Because of this, if you value my perspective and actually want to see my videos in the future, I would also recommend hitting the notification bell for a channel as small as mine. Now without further ado, we shall get straight to the video on the dark reality of the stock market that nobody except for a successful algorithmic investor can or will tell you. In the stock market, there is a dark chilling secret that less than 1% of traders have actually discovered. Less than 1% of these 1% of traders then actually have the confidence, or maybe you could call it foolishness, to tell other traders of what they have discovered. There is a reason you won't find many YouTube channels with a similar kind of content to mine, and if you do, seriously let me know because I would love to meet a similar content creator. The scarcity of this content is for a good reason and actually rather simple. Suppose a trader has discovered the secrets of the 1%. Naturally, they would feel no incentive to tell other traders. Doing so is often a huge risk, not only to themselves, but they also get nothing in return in terms of monetary gain, which is everything in the game we play as traders and investors. There is one reason, however, that one of the 1%ers who know the secret may tell others of it. This is what Chamath Palihapitiya and ARK Invest leveraged and their objective in their rise to power. It's also somewhat similar to what I hope to attain one day, although it likely won't be in the scale of Chamath or ARK Invest. The objective of Chamath and ARK Invest in their rise to power was to build an awesome community and grow an amazing fan base, which today, as you can see, they both seem to have done amazingly. Chamath and ARK Invest made no mistakes in the execution of their plan, and thus today they are both investment and stock market celebrities with some of the best investing fan bases and communities I've ever seen. Likewise, their fan bases is actually a major piece in the unsaid secrets of the true purpose of their moves. What I will reveal in this video is not something that these big players will ever tell you. It is not something they even want you to know. This is the market maker's handbook and exactly how they rose to power and played the game. So the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. In the stock market, you are playing against billionaires, trillionaires, god tier algorithms, artificial intelligence smarter than you can even comprehend, and other things that you cannot imagine. Given the nature of the game we are playing, the most basic state of the market is that the most powerful algorithms and the smartest AI will win and accumulate the most capital. Once the fittest algorithms in AI systems win, they accumulate more and more capital as a result of winning, and then with the additional capital they have, they also have more money to manipulate a stock. If they want, they can send a stock flying by buying entire floats at a time, or send it crashing by selling positions or selling short retail investors. As this process progresses, the most skilled algos in AI systems will keep evolving and end up with more and more capital until they have nearly everything. This should not be that surprising, as it is a highly natural state of the universe in most exchange-based games. Think of the last time you played Monopoly, which is one of the best exchange games that I know. After you played long enough, I would not doubt that one player had most of everything and almost everyone else was broke. This process of nature is known as the Pareto Distribution, and it shows up in quite a few very interesting places, of which I may cover more in a future video. Perhaps knowing about the Pareto Distribution now, you can connect some of the dots of what is really happening in the stock market. Before we get into the next part, at this point in the video, if you feel like you got value and want to show me, let me know by smashing the like button or leaving a comment down below. Definitely let me know so I can keep producing videos like this one. Now let us get back to the video. In the stock market, which has been going on for hundreds of years now, one or very few super algorithms / god players have ended up with everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Given that this institution's algorithm has nearly everything, they will manipulate 90% of stocks and retail traders with the same algorithm. And our job as little barnacles on the market maker's ship is to recreate the algorithm they use and make a tiny minuscule amount by buying or selling stocks before the giants make their moves. Although to us a few $1,000,000 may seem pretty good, in the stock market a few $1,000,000 is actually nothing when you are dealing with the billions or trillions of dollars that these algorithms are dealing with. For reference, one of the best algorithms at the top has multi-trillion dollars of capital at their disposal for manipulation. And note that this isn't even with leverage, of which they have much more than retail traders. This single player at the top of the Pareto Distribution has everything, and next we will go into their manipulation techniques, of which has never been revealed in depth on a YouTube video before. This video will be coming in the future, and if it's already out, there will be a little tag that pops up on the top right corner of your screen with a link to that video. Additionally, if you would like to see a video on my top trading books that made me into the trader today, or intelligence-based books in general, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Finally, in the next video that popped up, I will reveal a super stock that will 10x in the future and has some serious market makers and institutions behind it. If you want to know one of my top algorithmic picks of 2021 and 2022, consider watching the video that just popped up. You seriously won't regret it.